Yes, for those of you joining City Boy movement, nobody's going to stop you from joining the City Boy movement. Listen up. Tinubu came to power 2023 and the big man is crying, rich man is crying, poor people have gotten more poorer than they were and they will continue to get more poorer. Don't forget, listen to what I'm saying. 4 years of Tinubu has brought misery, hardship, death of every level, anyhow you can think of it. These 4 years of Tinubu has brought more terrorists, bandits than ever. Nigeria has never been in this situation ever. Why I'm making this post is nothing. It's nothing but the reason because the son Sheyi, all the money that they have stolen, they let Sheyi, who is more vibrant, a youth, to be sharing Bible. He went to Christians and he's sharing Bible. This time around, he's sharing food. If you are not an idiot, both you and your family, both man and woman, who is involved in collecting those Bibles, those packs of palliatives, all those things they are sharing is your money they stole from crude oil. I'm sounding very blunt so that you get where I'm coming from. All what he's doing is what he's gotten from his father and the money stolen from Nigerian poors, from taxpayers, from crude oil to be precise. Now they have released a lot of money to this small boy and he's sharing whatever he can share. Ask Sheyi, what does he do for a living? He cannot tell you what he does for a living. He's only interested in campaigning for an old man. He is almost 95 years, who is being picked up from the ground on a daily basis, who cannot reason very well, whose medical record is not known, who cannot withstand any form of pressure from what is happening around him. What they are doing is going everywhere to lobby, go to US and lobby, go to Britain and lobby, go to this and lobby. What have you achieved for this little 4 years you were given? That is the big question. Sheyi has no business in Nigerian government. Your father is the president, grabbed president, and you are busy moving up and down. Whose money are you using to buy things to share people? Nigerians' money, Nigerian money, money from the purse of Nigeria. For those of you mothers, warn your children, warn your daughters, warn your sons. For you elderly ones, fools, women, elderly men, market women, fools. By the time they finish bribing you with that stupid pack of palliative, that small thing they give you, even if they sum it up in the name of money, 200,000 for each of you, that is what you are going to eat in the next 4 years. They are luring you. Sheyi Tinubu is luring you to be stupid. And by the time he gets you, hold of you, you will cry for the next 4 years. You can see what he has done, what he's doing everywhere, moving around, talking to whoever he can talk to. He's been to the north, he's been to the east, luring young men to come and join them in city boy bullshit, city boy palaver, city boy problem. Your father is not capable of ruling his life, leading his family. And you can see he can't even lead the country that he grabbed. That is just the truth. So if you are following city boy movement, watch your back and think twice. Think twice, because I bet you in the next 4 years you will cry like a goat. You will cry like a goat. Do you see how the prices of commodities have risen to unbearable recognition? Nobody can afford anything anymore. People can't move around. Transportation is cannot be accessed. Nothing. And you guys are very stupid to join the useless city boy movement. Shame on you. Doom is coming you people way if you continue in accepting this useless city boy movement. Tinubu cannot lead Nigeria. He cannot. I'm not against him. He has come of age, and so many things he cannot even remember. So many things he cannot do anymore. So why can't someone who is capable, who can fix the roads, who can create jobs, who can give employment, who can make people live like human beings, not bribing, going to meet Sheikh Gumi and all the rest of the terrorists that are ready to terrorize and invade your villages, like they have done in Kwara, like they have done in Benue, like they have done in Plateau, like they are doing everywhere in the whole Nigeria. Christian genocide. I will stop here. But if you are smart, if you are wise, I believe you have to think twice before you accept that stupid palliative or whatever he's going to give. What is he going to give you? The one they gave you before 2023 to lure you in. Have you not paid back all those nonsense? Continue to take rubbish from them, and whatever they are giving is from you. It's your money. It's taxpayers' money. They have stolen a lot of crude oil, sold it, and they're using the money to come back to bribe you so that they can steal more. That's just the summary. In synopsis, that's all I've just come here to say. I don't care if you understand it, if you take it religious, that's your problem. If you take it tribalistic or ethnicity wise, so be it. I'm out of here. I'm not gonna suffer with you guys. Never. I denounce and I will reject the useless city boy movement. For those idiots that are accepting it, let them keep accepting. It's their problem. Probably they want to save their business, but at the end of the day, if the people don't have money to move around or to buy things or to do things, I bet you and your business will sink. That is the truth of the matter. I stop here, people. Be wise, be smart, and act wisely. I'm out of here.